With 2408, we're launching characteristics-based planning in SAP IBP Response and Supply. For now, characteristics-based planning is only available based on individual customer requests. Characteristics-based planning in supply chains involve making decisions and improving processes based on specific attributes or characteristics of a product, demand, or supply. It helps customers provide individualized product offerings and proactively steer their supply chains to meet different business priorities. With the first release, we are launching finite heuristics-based supply chain planning to enable demand-supply matching and new supply creation while selecting the right source of supply. Let's look at this now in action.
With SAP IBP characteristics-based planning, you can now add product and planning relevant CBP attributes supported by a new attribute type. Product attributes like size, quality, and color, as well as planning relevant attributes like demand, region, and country of origin. CBP attributes are grouped into different logical attribute sets to drive different supply decisions for different sets. These attributes are either demand relevant or supply relevant or both. Here, we can also choose the attributes which should drive the source of supply selection. For example here, quality drives the selection of the production source. CBP now offers a flexible rules framework to proactively steer supply decisions. Different rule segments drive different demand-supply matching and new supply creation conditions. Product A can be produced at the factory in quality A and B with two different production versions. There is a forecast for the product A for demand region Europe at the distribution center. Quantity 300 for quality A and quantity 500 for quality B. 300 pieces are available on stock at the DC. There are two batches of the stock available at the distribution center, one with quality A and the other with quality B. Characteristics-based planning supports the finite heuristic algorithm. Let's run it with the CBP rules that have been set up. The characteristics-based planning finite heuristics run ensures that the forecast elements are correctly pegged to the available supply based on the matching rules. As per the rule segments defined for demand region Europe, forecast for quality A is matched with available stock of quality A, and forecast for quality B with available stock of quality B. And stock transfers are created to plan new supply also with the desired CBP attribute values. Let's look at the situation at the factory. At the factory, planned orders are created for the new supply needed, and the right production version is chosen based on the quality characteristic requested. All supply elements show CBP attribute values they produce or transport, and the pegging shows which demand elements they fulfill. The dependent demand quantity is propagated to the right component based on the version selected. Procurement is planned for them. Now you've seen how you are able to proactively steer supply decisions with SAP IBP characteristics-based planning. There's more to come, so stay tuned.